Hi guys, welcome to Pagupaiva channel. In this video, we will show you about tricks which you can use in Vlookup. These tricks will surely help you in your professional life and simplify your role. In general, what we will do for Vlookup, select the lookup value within Vlookup formula, then select the table, then mention the column index number and complete the formula. So immediately theme mentioned, theme got reflected as an output. But if I have to get the highest and runs, then again I have to use VLOOKUP value. But by using a small change in VLOOKUP formula, you no need to duplicate the VLOOKUP formula again and again. Just edit the column index, open parenthesis, in table, team is column 2, highest is column 6, runs is column 5. Mention the column index number within the parenthesis and complete the parenthesis formula by closing the parenthesis. Then click enter. See, you no need to use VLOOKUP multiple times. Just by changing the index number, you have got the required output. Now, I am copying the same formula, but I'm getting here error. Why? Because my lookup value is having some space. But in general, what we will do, we will try to eliminate the or remove these spaces, then complete the formula. But if it is a big table, how you are going to do it? You have to find the space and you have to delete in each and every column will be a Herculean task. Instead of that, simply trim it. In front of lookup value, just use trim. Close the bracket. See, after using trim, you have got the required output. Now again, here I'm getting error again. Still I have used trim for lookup value, but I am getting error. Just I will check it out whether as a walk is available in the table or not. It is available, but why I'm not getting an error? Because here in table there is space. So now how to overcome this? Simple again, just mention trim in front of the table and relax yourself. You will get the required output now. See, you have got. So if you are using trim in front of both the lookup value and table, this issues related to space will be solved. Now next, again I'm getting error for enzymam. I'll just check it out whether enzymam is available in the table or not. It's available, but see here the name is enzymam ulhat. But what as a lookup value I'm having, it is only enzymam. So now what I can do, simply you no need to worry. Just within double quotes, mention asterisk ampersand, then the lookup value will come, then again ampersand, then again within double quotes, mention asterisk. See, you have got the required output. So by this way, many of the issues which you would be facing in Excel while using VLOOKUP can be solved very simply. Instead of working hard to solve the problem and we don't know where the error is comes up. Now, by using this simple technique, you can sort out the challenges what you are facing in Vlookup in an Excel file. Hope you have learned something new with this video. And if you like this video, please click like. If you have any questions or queries, please mention in comment section. And please subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends so that they can also make use of this in their professional life. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.